Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Mohammed. You're watching Mohammed Manu channel, and today I'm going to discuss about my trading strategy, guys. What I have done today, and I just traded in Infosys, guys. I'm going to show you. As I said yesterday, there is some three green candles. Today also this similar pattern, guys. In HDFC, you can look at this one. There is a red candle, and then followed by another red candle, guys. Another red candle. Yeah, somewhat profit. And okay, this is my starting day, guys. You can look at here. There is first red green candle, another green candle, guys. And what I should do is after that I need to buy here, and you can see the support also. This is support, this is resistance, guys. And you can look at here, I need to buy here, so I bought here, guys, somewhat upside, and then I just sold somewhat near like this. I got a good profit of almost 2% or 3%, guys. Yeah, I got a profit in Infosys. This is going to be my profit from where. This is going to be my stop loss, and this is going to be my profit, guys. Looking 5 points. This is called scalping, guys, in the morning section. And what I did is I want to what I did is the price is going upward trend. You can look at here, and it must have a downfall. Why? Because it's too steepy. Okay, that's why I just set a broad bought here, but short here, guys. But what happened is at this point it just triggered and just left this, guys. After that, what happened is the markets were falling as a deep console. You can look at here. Okay, I haven't entered here after that, but what I did is after that I just waited for the market of HDFC Bank, guys, as I usually trade in this. And I just I just got a 10:40 like that. I just 11 o'clock. I just got. I'm gonna eliminate all these things. Okay. Okay. I got a trade here, guys. You can look at here. There is a double bottom, and here also it's showing somewhat downtrend. Okay, somewhat downtrend at the morning. Uh, the morning you can see here, guys. In RSI, there is a downward and then downward, equal downward, guys. And in case of equal downward, there and you can look at here, the trend is going to be in downward trend. So I'm not trend going against the trend, but with the trend I'm going with the reference. I'm just seeing all these indicators, guys, all these another Nifty and Reliance HDFC, like that, guys. I used to see for the trend. And after that, what happened is I just bought somewhat here. Okay, I just bought here. This is gonna be a short. Okay, I just bought here, guys. Here I bought. Why? Because I knew it's gonna be a downtrend. And where I got my stop loss is somewhat here. This is my stop loss, guys. That's what. That's it. Not beyond that. Yeah, this is gonna be my stop loss. And then I booked my profit. I just want to book my profit here itself. But what happened is you can look at this Fibonacci retracement, guys. It haven't gone. It haven't touched. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Here you can look at here. It even touched at the bottom, and then even it touched at the bottom also. I'm gonna show you why I haven't exited in this trade. I still kept my stop loss here. I just kept here. Okay, I just brought somewhat down. So what happened is You can look at this trend, guys, in RSI. Observe here. Than the previous one, this is going to be even lower. So I expected even somewhat resistance and then somewhat retrace and then fall back downwards. Okay, bearish, and I expected, guys. I just got this 1020. Okay, 1020 like that. I'm going to show you what exactly it is. 1021. Okay, 1021 point. 1021, guys. This is the level it got placed and got retraced. I just exited here itself. Okay, and after that what happened is and then again it retraced, but I don't want to worry about this one. Okay, I had taken another trade also here, but firstly I need to tell you uh, how I exited here. I'm going to show you. Okay, wait, this is going to be okay. I don't want all these things, remove all these indicators, guys. In daily time frame, you can notice this is HDFC, sorry, HDFC Bank. Yeah, in daily frame rate you can notice here, guys. I'm gonna set my pink. Okay, yeah, you can notice here, guys. Sorry. Okay, just concentrate only in this area, guys, where the due to coronavirus it had fallen. Okay, we're going to retrace back, and there is a fallout, guys. You can look at here, and I'm going to change my color to this, and there is a uptrend, and there is a uptrend, and there is a downtrend, guys. You can see here. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I'm going to take a horizontal ray. Okay, this is my support, guys. You can look at here. This is my support. Look at here. The support is almost 1019. I just opt for the support, guys. This is gonna be my support. Okay, and then gonna retrace back. But what happened is it just gone up to 1021 or 1020 also, somewhat downwards after that, and it gonna be retraced, right? So what I did is in this area especially what I did is you can look at here. There is a another downtrend, this RSI downward movement, and you can look at here. This is somewhat uptrend, guys. This is somewhat uptrend. Okay, and there is another uptrend too. So considering this uptrend, I just notice this is gonna be my exit. In this case, if it gone even downward than this, I would go short. I would go short again. But what happened is somewhat going to have a resistance, somewhat support here, and gone upward trend. Okay. After that, it may click here, but even though you can click here, if anyone bought here, okay. Uh, I'm gonna show you my second trade in HDFC Bank, guys. After some 2 o'clock like that, I just traded this one. In this, I got a double top going in upward trend. Okay, why? Because it has a support, guys. As I said earlier. No, I'm gonna take green color because it had a support. Okay, you can bring this okay, you can exactly look at here in this case guys, it got a support. So what I did is it got a support, it won't go downwards much more. And what the market tells me also, this is gonna be uptrend again, and what I did is it gonna retrace back, pull back. So what I did is I just bought some shares here guys, somewhat here, and then it got somewhat fluctuated. I just set my stop loss at the bottom of this candle, okay, and then it is somewhat retraced back, and then it's gonna be at 1030, 33, 34 like that. It my end of the day stop loss guys, and that's it. I just exited. I got a profit almost. I just brought somewhat here guys, 1081 like 1028 like that, and I got somewhat 6 points of gain guys. That's it for my trade guys for today, and I hope you enjoy this fun. If you do like, subscribe my channel. This is Sheikh Muhammad signing off. Bye bye.